Is your blade sharp? Mine is not so sharp. Let's see if yours any better than mine. Not as good. You want to chop it yourself?
Yeah.
Right. You've seen what they do. I'm not good at it, but basically you're just shaving it off until you get a hole. Okay. Put it somewhere solid though. Keep it away from me. Harder chops, less chops. Yeah. Slice it. Yeah, it's like you're just slicing bits. Yeah, bits. There we go. There you go. Put it to the hole.
Okay.
Wait, just look. Break it open like that. Yeah, just do it. There you go. Oh, it's got jelly too. Lucky.
The first coconut.
Oi, oi.